The electronic assemblies our world relies upon deliver a better life. For those who mean the world to us, it starts with the standards: quality, reliability, consistency, IPC.
So the impact on personal lives, if you will, of the electronics industry is huge.
Certainly to see products in action where surgeons are in there and they're working on folks' hearts and the monitoring equipment that they're using, relying on our technology to ensure that they have a successful operation, certainly strikes home with us.
Quality, reliability, consistency in the electronics that we're producing is critical to our mission overall.
The high reliability and high quality of the circuit boards that go not only into aerospace but also space applications is undeniably critical.
The biggest benefit to manufacturers is they have a voice in what's going on. You become a part of this. There's best practices to be shared with other companies. There's your concerns that may not be being communicated to the IPC because you're not part of this committee or you're not vocal within the organization.
And another benefit of our IPC membership is our monthly and quarterly participation in the IPC market survey program. This produces a report at the end of the month and the end of the quarter, which is a very valuable benchmark for our organization as we view our performance against our peer group of similar sized companies across the industry. It allows us to be on the leading edge of market trends and analysis.
IPC really just allows us to, no matter what the design is, be able to zero in on whatever anomaly we're seeing and be able to determine if it's something that is acceptable or something that maybe we need to come up with a different plan of attack to make it then acceptable.
So as the baseline or foundational standards of regulation, without the IPC, I do not know how an organization can exist in the medical, defense, robotics, you name the sector, if it has electronics. The IPC is the governing body.
We haven't found any other options that have worked as well for us as IPC.
I work for a company who recognizes the value of the quality, reliability, consistency of the things we do, and they recognize that being an active participant in an association like IPC, facilitates that.
Where are you going to get technical education, advocacy, training, certification, and networking with all one simple membership? You can't do that with any other trade organization with the exception of one, and that's IPC.